So come all ye young men who are building castles, kindly state the time of the year, and join your voices in a hellish chorus, mark the precise nature of your fear. Let me help you to pick up your dead, as the sins of the fathers are fed with the blood of the